Hey everybody, how's it going? Utarik here, and welcome to a very different video. This video is brought to you by Overclockers, Asus, and Kingston HyperX for providing me with certain products that have made this video possible. So a big thank you to them. Please go and check out all of their products, especially from Overclockers, my sponsor. Use the link in the description below for more information. Now, if you're wondering what the fuck is going on in this video, I'm going to be building some stuff. So I've had my rig for about, I'd say, 2 years now. It has consisted of an Asus Z87 Pro, an i7 4770K. Recently, within the past year, thanks again to Overclockers for providing me a GTX 980. I also have several fucking hard drives that are just, you know, honestly, some of them are dead or dying. I have an old school OCZ Vertex 4 SSD and a Corsair HX850i. The old model. It was a semi-modular, it wasn't a full modular. So we're going to be doing some things to this, as well as building a second PC. And you're wondering, why, Jamie, do you need two PCs? Well, let me tell you, the reason for that is because I'm building a streaming PC and upgrading my current PC with some new hardware. So, let's get into it. Okay, as you can see, these are the new parts that we're going to be putting in my main rig. The gaming PC, I should start saying now. We have the Asus Maximus 8 Hero motherboard. Obviously in the middle you can see the 6700K, beautiful. It's very heavy, actually. It's the first heavy CPU I've ever picked up. To cool that, we have the Kraken X61 all-in-one cooler. This is dual rad. All-in-one cooler compared to the X41, which I have already, which is going into the streaming PC. And we'll be installing Windows onto the HyperX Savage SSD. It's hella savage, bro. Also with that is the HyperX Savage DDR4 RAM, which is actually, what is that? 2400, I think? 16 gigs of 2400 millihertz DDR4 RAM, which is very juicy. So again, thank you to Overclockers, Asus, and HyperX for sending me these. Let's put them in. Okay, there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed the PC build. The current PCs aren't connected yet, but they will be in the next coming days. I will be making an update video with that. Apologies for the delay on this video. There's really no excuse for why this has been so long. I do apologize to everyone that helped provide for this video. You know, including the companies, Overclockers, Asus, and Kingston HyperX, and as well the supporters of the stream and my YouTube channel in general. I really do appreciate all of the support, and I'm just so sorry that this hasn't come out sooner. There really is just no excuse whatsoever. But I'm so happy that this all came together. I've been on this for a couple of weeks now, and the gaming rig is just flawless. The CPU is amazing, and I can't wait to see what it's like to play games and stream off the stream PC as well. I will have issues with the audio because I need to get the compressor, which is also a noise gate, fixed. It needs a new transformer because it's bought from America, and when I bought it, I used it in England with an English plug because I'm fucking stupid. That was over a couple of years ago now, but it needs to get that fixed before we can use the mixer, because raw mic going into a mixer with just EQ and no noise gate or compression is going to be horrible. So yeah, that will happen, but I won't be streaming until that's sorted off of this. So thank you so much, guys, for the support. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you later. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate it.